Hi, y'all. I'm going to show what reading you're going to get on conductance. Nano Siemens, NS, the NS, and the NS on one of my resistor boxes. I got this thing set up to right around 10 mega ohms. The commons, there and there, all go to here, and we got the positive here where we can plug it into each one and see what happens. That's around 10 mega ohms is what this is set to. Now we can see where each of these shows. Right at 100 Nano Siemens. Right there at 100 Nano Siemens. Right there at 100 Nano Siemens. Now y'all have to, I don't know exactly enough to explain to y'all the difference, but you need to look up conductance and resistance. They're the inverse of each other. One is resist power, slows down the flow of power. One is how much power flows through something. But got this set to, you saw the 10 mega ohms, which will give you around 100 Nano Siemens. But there you go. Just a quick check. These are the 3 meters I have that will actually show that. You can do it on a regular meter, but you gotta do a bunch of math and you gotta have a scientific calculator. But there you go, guys. A little quick showing on resistance versus conductance. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a good one.